He is a great devotee of Swamiji, and he is a great poet also. Every other day you can see poems in his Facebook, and he is a very good poet, and he has a lot of creativity in his kitty. So we are very honored and proud to have you as chief guest, sir. I request you to deliver inaugural address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ತುಂಬ ತಂಪಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಓ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, whichever the directions or the dimensions I see for you, I see you always. You are the epitome of the vast, expansive universe. You are the eyes and you are the vision of this universe. You are the shoulder and you are shouldering this universe. You are the standing and you are outstanding of this universe. You are a savior, you are the protector, each one of us, O Lord Kudala Sangamadeva. ಈ ಪುಣ್ಯಭೂಮಿಯ ದಿವ್ಯಚೇತನ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ದಿವ್ಯ ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ, ಇಂದಿನ ಪೀಠಾಧಿಪತಿ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ, ಸಭೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹನೀಯರುಗಳು ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ my sincere thanks to all the parents, the media people, print, visual, digital, and the warm welcome to the youngest decisions. So you have heard netizens, I use the word decisions. You are all digital generation people. A warm welcome to orientation training program at SIT Tumkur. Tumkur is not Tum ka Oor, it's Hum ka Oor also. I am here, part of today, the beautiful Monday, to see all the young minds with a great smile on your face. It's a great privilege and I'm extremely happy. I sincerely thank the management to provide this opportunity to seek the blessings of Swamiji, meet all the extraordinary academic leaders and the future leaders of this country this morning. Thank you so much. ಕಂಜೂಸ್ತನ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಕಿಸೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿದಾಗ ದಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ದಿಯಾದಿಂದ. ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಯಾ ದಿಯಾ ದಿಯಾ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ದಿಯಾ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ದಿಯಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ದಿಯಾ ಕಾಲ, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಾರ್ಟಿ joining hands for everybody. So that's the most thing that you can start the beautiful Monday. So thank you very much. So goodness doesn't require more inspiration, that comes automatically. It's like a spring from the earth. So something is not good, you have to put a lot of effort. The pressure cooker takes a lot of effort. So that's how I see the goodwill, the goodness, the grace that makes you just claps for anything and everything. That is the best way to spread your energy in the morning. So this is the year, it's remarkable in the history of humankind. If I ask the question, you may tell why this year is remarkable in the humankind. You may say that every day morning I use the WhatsApp, I just clicked a Facebook post, I tweeted so many things that is happening in your world. I don't know how many times you have looked at your Facebook rather than looking at everybody in this. That is the generation that we all working together. My thought is that 1969, July 20th, 1969, July 20th, man landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, the first man. When the entire humankind celebrated its landing on the moon, India celebrated as a remarkable gratitude to that effort. We started Chandrayaan-2 this month. Hearty congratulations to our brilliant scientists at ISRO for making this year a remarkable in your life and our lives too. You can always remember your life, just Mr. Ghosh mentioned, so he joined in the month of June 1992. You can always tell, I joined SIT in the month of July. Don't worry about the date. Tell when Chandrayaan was launched. You also tell your children and grandchildren, I joined SIT in the year when Chandrayaan-2 was launched. Possibly you tell your child or grandchild, he or she should be the scientist of Chandrayaan-3 with man being landed. A Bharatiya being landed on the moon, you have to come forward. I am sure that one of the SIT student will be that scientist in our endeavor to put man on the moon, not by any of the countries, by our own incredible India. I am sure that one of you can be part of that. This is also year witnessing 50th year of internet, without which nobody wakes up in the morning, without which nobody starts. In our days, the moment we woke up, we are all taught to touch the feet of parents first, or go to the God's room, put pranam. I am sure that generation that we have today, I appreciate, because you have not parents or somebody, you have your smartphone nearby. So that's why you first touch whether you have a message for you. When you don't have a message, you feel very depressed. Last 50 years, I never depressed for no reason or rhyme. So the moment message is not there, no likes are there, no comments are there, you feel depressed. Leave it, you are at least 18 plus years. I see in the school, children get depressed, disappointment at years of age, 8, 7, like that. I don't know why. So, Prabhu Shankar sir told, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It is not just to show somebody. Om is I am a reflection of God. I am Shanti, means I am a peaceful human being. Whether I get a message, whether I get a comment, whether I get a tick mark, whether I like, you don't worry about it. Be happy. For the last 1.5 hours, I have not touched my mobile, because corporate people always look at the messages, whether boss calls or somebody calls, customer calls. I made my smart device as my slave, not I am a slave of my device. That's the first message to my dearest friends joining engineering college. When you are inside the classroom, please become a master of your smartphone, not the slave of your WhatsApp or Facebook. That's the first gratitude you give to all your teachers in the classroom. I hope you will do that. Second point, today you are entering the 4 years of engineering degree program. There are multiple points. One is 4 years is a duration, engineering is a philosophy, degree program is a certification. For you, 4 years is a 4 calendar years or 4 academic years. But if you split that 4 years, how much in anybody's life? 4 years is 48 months. The greatest creation happens in 9 months. You have 48 months in front of you. You have 208 weeks in front of you. It's not a small thing. So some of the events that happened, Chandrayaan-2, when one of the technical component being found not working, the 15th July event is stopped, announced to the world. Maybe people felt that is an embarrassment to the world. No. The sadhaka will take it as a challenge, convert it as an opportunity, and makes, within a week's time, 15th to 22nd, all our scientists at ISRO put their brain, heart together, made a successful journey into 36,000 kilometers geostationary motion. That number of weeks you have in front of you. You have many, many days, 4,161 days in front of you to achieve something. You have 35,000 hours of God-given time in front of you, 2.1 million minutes in front of you, and 1.2 crore seconds in front of you. Design, define, dictate, derive, and deploy your journey from this moment to next 4 years. I wish you the very, very best in the endeavor, and I congratulate all of you for making that decision to be part of this wonderful fraternity called Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. Why I said the 4 years with all these numerical numbers, not to just show my mathematical ability. Because every second that matters most to us. We have Hima Das. All of you heard Hima Das? All of you heard Hima Das? Yes. Hima Das is our pride. Hima Das comes from a small village in Assam. She is popularly known today as Ding Express. She never had an opportunity to have hundreds of open playground to practice her sprint. Both parents being farmers, she found her opportunity to run in the unplowed land. In July month, again you will remember this. You joined SIT in the month when Hima Das got 5 gold for India within a time frame of 15 days. Again remarkable in your life. That's why I told 4 years is a huge, huge opportunity that you are blessed with. So my another favorite personality in the world, a Jamaican sprinter, you know whom I am talking about, Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, to his credit, he has 9 gold, 11 international records, and his number of seconds he spent on the track in the last 20 years is 191 seconds. And he earned roughly about $195 million. What is the cost per second? More than $1 million. $1 is 6970 rupees. $1 million is 10 lakhs dollars. Multiply by 60 or 70. Think of 1 second he earned. I will not ask the question how much it is Indian rupees. For every second he earned 1 million US dollar. Not a small money. You have 1.2 billion seconds in front of you. Do you know how much time he spent to run the overall track record? Not more than 191 seconds. Whenever he ran in the track, he took 20 solid years. Sankalp Dinda Siddhiyatha. Today you make that sankalp. I will emerge as a great SITian in the next 4 years. I will present an international paper which is appreciated by all the scientists of India. I represent SIT. I make myself in Asian Games in 2020, whether I am a first year, second year student, I should my excellence to the country. I will represent SIT. I will publish at least 2 patent papers before I exit from SIT. I will be the keynote addressee, youngest scientist in the world for the forthcoming Indian Congress Science Conference in New Delhi, which is headed by Prime Minister. That must be the dream starting today, because you have 1.2 billion seconds in front of you. It's marvelous to have you here. SIT, as I told, I have been associated not just like an industry person, as a member of the board of studies, as a member of the governing councils. I am grateful to all the leaders. Bittenendaro bidade mai. The sambandha that I have with the institution for many, many years, I feel always proud to be in the campus, seeking the blessings of Swamiji, being with extraordinary teachers, and that is the environment you are going to be. In the next 4 years, focus on learning. You are the owner of your learning. Don't make everything as a responsibility of the teachers. It is a world where self-directed learning is prominent and prevailing. Enough of the content is available in whichever the format you want, whether it is a Netflix that flows the content into, or Amazons, Udacities, Coursera's, Khan Academies. So much of the content is flooding into your own devices. It's the choice that you have to make, which content you want to. I think Aradri helidru, ಕೊಳದ ನೀರು ತಿಳಿ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಂತ. When you settles down all the dust particles, the upper layer is always the purest of the purest water. You have flooded with so much information into your head and smartphone, but you settle down something which you don't require, but pick that is one which is very, very useful to you. Make that content as your strength. The second, when you are in the campus, when you are an engineer, because I mentioned in my first starting, 4 years engineering and degree program. When you are joining engineering, don't aspire to have a degree given by Vishwasraya Technological University. That is only a passport. It is not a green card. You have to develop. Going to the gym doesn't make you a pailwan. You have to really put in lot of sadhana. You have to perform, to outperform somebody. If you don't perform, you don't outperform somebody. In order to perform, you have to reform first. In order to reform, you always reframe your directions, redesign your thinking, redirect your goal in the right spirit. And very important, involve in every academic activities. Take the ownership of the entire campus. If you are staying in the hostel, because you are paying so much to the institution, don't take the revenge of wasting the water in the hostel. Every drop of water is not belong to us. It is the asset of this universe. ಸಂಪತ್ತು ನಮ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ. ದುಡ್ಡು ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳದು, ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲು, ಆ ನೀರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರಿವೆಂಜ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಮನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. And this is a very important moment for you. Today, it is a day one of your engineering. May I request the leaders, whether you can each 4 or 5 members together plant a tree somewhere and start pouring water and start seeing it, whether your degree comes first or the tree comes first. So that's the level of engineering thinking you should have. The trees are very, very important. Why tree in engineering? The tree aspires to touch the sky. It always aspires to touch the sky, never goes down into the earth. Every time tree aspires to touch the sky, it messages, I have to ground deeper and deeper into the earth. As you become engineer, and you start getting 29 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, but your humility, vidyage vinayave bhushana, the humility part of your heart should go deeper and deeper and deeper into the earth. So that is the second part of the engineering. Third part of the engineering is it's always creative thinking and critical thinking. Engineer is not just the engineer because he has a degree. Mother is the most creative engineer after the God. Whether believe or not, don't go and tell mother you only know how to cook. Cooking is the greatest engineering today. Swiggy's, people don't live in Bangalore without Swiggy. Right? Uber Eats, people don't, sleep without Uber Eats. It is an art for the mother, but for the business, the rest of the world. Mother has created kitchen cabinet as a business model, rest of the world. Engineer should emulate mother's capability into your thinking. What to cook, what to chop, how much to tap, how much to prepare. In your learning, you should show how much I study, how much I borrow, how much I assimilate, how much I collectively get my wisdom to shine as a great SITN. Last, degree. It is a transition from pre-university to university degree transition. It's a great journey. Today, there is a transition happens in the celestial. The Chandrayana 2 moved on 15th to 36,000 kilometers. On 24th, it moved to 45,000 kilometers. Today, it is getting into the third orbit. We call it a second orbit at 54,000 kilometers away. After that, it enters into the moon's surface. And you are moving from the pre-university orbit into the university orbit. Make that propellant push you to that orbit, which you shine much more than what you are